If you need a new bikini, you need to check out Bikini Block. They are a 100% women-owned company. 100% of their bikinis are handmade in Brazil, and they give a portion of their proceeds to nonprofits in the community. So in a short time, this sister team has built a brand, and a brand that they wanted to protect. If you are a business owner just like them, you're going to see why it was important for them to protect their brand, and why it might be for you a very smart decision to do the same. Hi, I'm L.A. Perkins, a brand protection attorney. I help business owners identify and protect their intellectual property assets and enforce their rights so they can avoid costly mistakes and increase the value of their business in the long term. If you have a business and you want to make sure your intellectual property is protected, call my office and schedule a complimentary consultation. And if you're looking for more information on how to protect your brand identity, check out my website as well as the other videos on my YouTube channel. So one of the most important things that you can do as a business owner is to protect your brand assets, just like my client Bikini Block did. Bikini Block reached out to me to help them protect their brand assets because their business was growing, and they wanted to make sure that they were the only company in the United States that could use the name Bikini Block. So the reason why it's important to protect your brand name, just like Bikini Block did, is because you want the people that are buying your products to know that it's you. There is confusion that can arise when multiple companies use the same name, and that can result in other businesses, often your competitors, diverting business away from you if you don't have exclusive rights to use your company name. So have you ever bought a fake designer bag or sunglasses, or know someone who did? Well, that's a problem from the brand owner's perspective, and they don't like it because it diverts business away from them and it dilutes the value of their brand. And that's why the designer companies are very rigorous in enforcing their rights so that other companies cannot sell fake products. So in order to build the value of your brand identity, and be recognized as the one, like in the instance where my client Bikini Block protected their brand, they now are the only one that can use that name in the United States to identify their swimsuits. Now, if you're in a similar situation and you haven't protected your brand assets, my recommendation is that you speak with an experienced brand protection attorney that can help you navigate the process. It may seem simple, but there are lots of nook and crannies and nuances that can cause problems if it's not addressed correctly. The statistics also reveal that you're more likely to obtain a registered trademark when using an experienced trademark attorney. When you file a trademark application, it's not automatic that you get a registration. It's a process, and the process takes approximately 12 to 18 months to get the registration. So first, before filing a trademark application, it's best to make sure that you have a chance of actually obtaining that trademark. That's exclusive rights to use that trademark. And how you would do that is with a comprehensive trademark search. Now, sometimes clients contact me and will say, well, I've conducted the search. And what they've done is they don't know any other company that is using that name. But that, just because you don't know another company doesn't mean there isn't one out there. So it's always best and most prudent to do a comprehensive trademark search. As part of a comprehensive trademark search, Not only would a lawyer review the USPTO records, but would review the Secretary of State records in all 50 states, as well as databases that review names that are used for URLs, domain names, as well as social media names. So if the name is good, the next step is to really figure out what classes you want to protect the trademark in. And classes, it's called international classes. These are categories that break up the type of goods or services that you're selling. When you file a trademark application, you have to specify the goods and services that you're selling in association with the trademark you want to protect. There's no way to file an application that says, I want everything, unless you pick every class and you are indeed selling the goods and services in every single class, which I don't think anybody has probably ever done. So the reason why it takes so much time is, first of all, the United States Patent and Trademark Office is very busy. So the first thing that happens is a trademark examiner is assigned to your file to review it and determine whether there's any issues or it can move forward to the next step. And dealing with all of that minutia and details is exactly the reason why people who are busy running a business hire an attorney to help them. And in Bikini Block's case, they now have a registered trademark, which means no one else can use the mark Bikini Block, and their business is growing and thriving. Another benefit in Bikini Block protecting their trademark is it becomes a business asset. And if down the road they want to sell their business, they will be able to maximize the price that they get for their business because they protected their intellectual property. So support this small business, especially if you like bikinis. These sisters are doing an amazing job, have a terrific product, and they're giving back to the community. If you have a small business and your primary brand is not protected yet, schedule a time to talk with me. I look forward to that discussion. And for more information on protecting your business and your brand assets, check out my other videos on my YouTube channel and all the information on my website, and call my office today to get your brand armor on.